So Tom, here do they let us pick our steak? We could pick one, right? Wow. Which one, the sirloin?
So today we're at Texas Roadhouse in Rogers?
Yeah, Rogers still open.
Yeah, Rogers, Arkansas. We're gonna have a couple of steaks here. Ezekiel here. What do you get? I'll take a coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, coffee. Gotcha. I'm gonna get it over. You want a water go with that?
Yeah. No ice. I don't think there's that. But anyway, we're here to have some steak. And right now we got our breads here.
Explain why. You're
Butter. And all that kind of stuff. You know.
We're here to celebrate Tom's house.
Yeah. Tom, what do you say about your house?
I think it's great.
Yeah. Surviving?
A lot better than it was.
Yeah. He's now living in a mansion. You gotta see that place. Well, we got video. I'll put it up. I got some video in here. But right now, we're gonna enjoy our bread, and Zeke's got peanuts. Good are peanuts. Peanuts with lemon and salt. And then I got little Zeke right here. Hanging around, playing. So, we ordered our drink. So, we're going to see what's next here. Order for our dinner. We'll see you in a minute.
medium well?
And then this one is medium rare. And here's the side of corn, sir.
This much substance, and it's cost them thousands of dollars to keep the rats and all that. Yeah.
Didn't you bring your steak yet?
I didn't beat him. I didn't buy me none.
Look at Tom. Woo, man, that's not big cheese.
It is good.
Oh, you shouldn't be able to do that? That's a lot of steak. Boy, that's a lot of steak. But anyway, look at this. Yeah. Well, I'm going to give it a shot. Right now, everything looks really good. So, just waiting for Lil Zeek and Little. They're at the back over there. Yeah, look at what they brought. All our food. It all looks really, really good. Oh. Okay, we're going to taste this out. See how it is. In a minute.
Can you tell something? Oh yeah. We're gonna try this one. Give him a piece of
How
that.
are you? It's like, hold on, it's gonna move right now because it's still so wiggly.
All right.
Alright, that's what I said, it's gonna move, Dad.
Did they get yours on the?
That's pretty good. Pretty good. Actually, that's pretty good. That's pretty soft. Pretty good. Yeah.
Because whoever cooked
Oh, no, it's
that
good.
like that cooking and he got it.
Está blandita.
It is good. Wow. It's salt in your nose.
Huh? No, I had it more soft. Would you take for some black pepper? I brought you roses much for your birthday. But I don't know what that's made out of, but I had already.
Everything's good. So far.
Deal on the.
Let's see if they know how to cook corn. Corn's good. Got a lot of fancy butter in it.
Hey, aren't you missing the corn too? you just ordered the potato?
Yeah, I need mashed potatoes.
Which is Mexico? I didn't know.
Corn is good.
It's corn. It's butter soup corn.
You
All
good?
the pork is right there. This is my first time doing this.
Yeah?
Ahorita viene el otro, ¿no? ¿Así?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get some help right now.
Somebody will. We'll get somebody to help us.
Yeah, because we've never used this before.
Yeah?
But thank you again, Tom.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it.
So what do you say? Nothing?
Yeah, there's so much noise in here. I can try to hear you.
All right, I did mine. I finished my steak. Lily's still doing hers.
And his is done.
Everyone is finished.
Tell them you left us so clean they don't even have to clean the
Even Tom
dishes.
finished this. Yep. Well, I didn't finish the whole steak. I have it in the box there to go.
Okay.
It was real good.
Yeah.
Got some left over right here. Look.
This is literally
Look at
a
that.
whole steak.
Yeah.
Whole 8-ounce steak. And the bread for the...
So,
See, Tom,
got
we
some
ate
to go.
twice. We got to eat twice.
That's good.
Here. We're gonna head out. We ate already everything. Look at how good it is. Everything looks good. So we're gonna head out now. Everybody's got their stuff and already starting to walk out. So we'll see you right outside.
I'm gonna jump on my horsey.
Well, everything was really good here. I'm gonna tell you, you gotta come down here and check this place out. They have good steak. The service is good. The food is good. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it for sure. Bring the family and your friends and everyone. And Zeke's gonna get on the horse, but he's still not
Zeke.
old enough.
Ready to get on? You're not down, Zeke.
Okay, so we had our meal here at Texas Roadhouse. Tom right here was the one who treated us to a steak here. So the food was really good, the service is good, and I'm gonna tell you one thing, you need to come down here and enjoy this meal. So anyway, today, Texas Roadhouse, we're putting you